How to log out of Messenger. So if you want to log out of your Messenger, then what you need to do is it's the same thing on your iOS or on your Android devices. So first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that three bat icon, and then tap on settings, which is on the upper right. Tap on settings. So under your settings here, you will have an option of switch account, right? So you can simply go with switch account. If you want to switch your account with other accounts, you will be logged out of this current account and then you'll be logged into another account. But if you don't want any accounts on your Messenger, and if you want to log out each and every ID that you have, then what you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on account center. Once you tap on account center, now you need to go for personal details. Once you're on the account center, you need to go for password and security. Under that, you will have login alerts, or you need to go for the first option, which is where you're logged in. And here you need to go with Facebook. Once you choose Facebook, now you need to select the device in which you would log out of your Messenger. Simply tap on select devices to log out, which is here on the bottom left, and then choose the accounts that you would like to use to log out. So for example, I'll be choosing 2 to 3 devices and then tap on log out and tap on log out again. Once you tap on that, now you have been successfully logged out on those devices. So that's how you can log out of your Messenger, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.